So the right platform really can ensure your success. And so spend time, making sure that the platform is what you need it to be, kick the tires on this thing, so to speak. So you want to make sure that you have interoperability and scalability. So the platforms need to integrate with your existing systems. That's the easiest way to get data in, and hopefully it's clean data. And streamline those workflows. You want scalable architecture that really supports like a multi-campus or enterprise-wide deployment if your organization is large. You want the centralized data management, so provider data that's validated, it's not duplicated, it's stored in a secure repository where you don't have to worry about people getting into that information because you know how sensitive it is. AI-powered intake tools really automate that documentation handling process and reduce those manual errors, which is nice. Real-time reporting and dashboards, we talked about this before, but it's important because you want to make sure that your leadership team gets that visibility and understands the credentialing status and any of the bottlenecks that you may have or any of the compliance metrics. You want to really make it, meaningful, make it mean something to them. Your operational teams also use those dashboards to track your turnaround times and performance. I can't tell you how important it is to track that turnaround time to make sure that your operators understand just how long it's going to take to go through this process and what it means for them as far as impact to their workflow as well. And then financial and operational ROI. So reduced administrative burden, faster credentialing cycles to improve your revenue flow. Strategic partners help identify cost-saving opportunities and process those efficiencies. Okay, so the right partner. So the right partner also sets you up for success in the means of having strategic alignment. So they help you to define clear goals, KPIs, governance structures. They also help you develop that executive sponsorship and stakeholder engagement, keeping those folks engaged throughout this process, making sure they have like weekly touch points, report outs, and then making sure that that is actually built into the work plan from day one so that we don't miss that step. And then phased implementation. So we want to minimize the disruption, deliver quick wins. We want to have those pilot groups, but also get that feedback immediately from those groups and ensure continuous improvement as we continue to go through this process. And then change management and training, again, very important. You want role-specific training. Those train-the-trainer models, they really do boost adoption. And then communication plans that really clarify those benefits and reduce the resistance. Again, you need your champion. You need somebody out there singing the praises of this implementation to make sure everybody feels the positivity that comes from it. And then risk mitigation, experienced partners, I should say, already know. They anticipate the regulatory or operational or data risks that come as a result of this. And then those escalation paths and contingency plans are also established early into the process with these partners.